A 1.6% rise is seen for Cardano, based on crypto predictions data for May 27. First, here's a glimpse of the recent price direction. Cardano's price is down 0.3% in the last 24 hours, and it's currently at around $0.2444. Let's transition to the analyst section. The forecast from Crypto Predictions points to $0.2483 by May 27, a projected gain of about 1.6%. Cardano is projected to move up towards $0.245 per 30 rates, an expected increase of 0.2%. Traders Union highlights the potential to move downward to $0.243, a projected fall of 0.6%. Another analysis from CoinLore notes Cardano could head towards $0.2421, a decline close to 0.9%. And last but not least, Gov Capital Collector forecasts $0.2351 by May 27, down 3.8%. This is the top result we've analyzed. That's the full set of 5 analyst calls. Let's move on. Here's how the 5 forecasts translate into numbers and probabilities. The combined outlook suggests movement anywhere from a decline of 3.8% to a rise of 1.6%. It appears Gov Capital Collector ends up with the highest projected return with 3.8% increase in value by tomorrow. It's clear you could earn between $2 and $38 for every $1,000 you invest. From a volatility standpoint, 30 rates' forecast is the most probable, showing a 89.9% likelihood of being correct. Out of all 5 forecasts, I've outlined one unified consensus scenario. The average outlook positions Cardano at about $0.2427. Let's review the details step by step. Consensus estimates reveal a 0.7% decline in price. At that same percentage level, your capital could also experience growth. With 1,000, the numbers suggest a possible $7 more. And overall, the probability of the consensus scenario for Cardano holding true is roughly 87.3%. Moving on, let's explore how analysts expect the price to behave in the next 3 days. Crypto Predictions sees Cardano losing ground. 30 rates expects no major shifts in the near term. Traders Union expects downward momentum to persist. A bearish outlook is additionally projected by CoinLore, pointing to a decline. Likewise, Gov Capital Collector indicates that prices could dip further. The consensus result suggests Cardano could lose ground across this 3-day horizon. Looking across the forecasts, 80% suggest Cardano will trade lower. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were published. Now, it's time for some fact-checking. Ultimately, yesterday's trading ended at $0.2437. Yesterday showed that just 2 forecasts captured the direction correctly. If we take accuracy into account, Traders Union led the way. Now let's sort it out. 2 forecasts were inside yesterday's candle. Speaking of ROI, some forecasts ended with gains, and digital coin price had the strongest result. Here's the full table showing how every forecast performed. 30 rates posted 0 to zeros, $58 accuracy, 81.1% forecast probability, and minus 0.8% ROI. Look over the results and find the forecasts that hit closest to reality. Now let's check how the projected returns for tomorrow line up between Cardano and a few alternatives. At third position we have Cardano, and Fetch appears with an expected gain of 7.2%. For now, Cardano is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies, but a detailed comparison with many more is already published on my website. Before we end, let me know which analyst impressed you most and make sure you're subscribed for more daily reviews. Catch you in the next summary.